Type the following as your title and subtitle. Then continue typing the column headings. When you get to cell D3, type hours, hold down Ctrl-Alt, and type worked. This will create a new line. You will do the same for the next column. Continue typing the column headings. You now type in the employee information including name, hire date, dependents, and hours worked. The rest will be filled in via formula. Now you'll configure a formula for the gross pay. Start with the equal symbol. Next, click D4, type an asterisk, and click on E4. The resulting number represents hours worked times the hourly pay rate. For the federal tax, you will type equals .22 asterisk, bracket, click on F4, minus, click on C4, type an asterisk, and type 24.32 and enclose that in a bracket as well. The formula for state tax is .04 times the gross pay. Therefore, you will type equals .04 asterisk and click on F4. You will fill in the remaining values as such by starting the equation with an equal sign and typing the appropriate signs along with clicking on the corresponding cells. To fill in the remaining values, select cells F4 through J4 and use the fill handle to drag it down. To find the total of hours worked, select cell D13 and click the sum button. Then select the following cells and click the auto sum button. For the tax percent total, you will copy the formula down by simply dragging it. You will find the average by typing equals average in cell C14 and selecting it from the menu. C4 through C12 will be accounted for in the range. In cell C15, click the Insert Function button located above column D. In the number region, type C4:C12. Finally, to find the lowest dependent, click on the Auto Sum button menu, select Min, and then select range C4 through C12. Now you will fill in the missing values by selecting the following cells and dragging it all the way to column J. Make sure to delete the following value from cell J14. You can always check a formula by double-clicking a cell. Now you can begin formatting. Use the Page Layout tab to select the theme Trek. Select cells A1 through J1 and click the Merge and Center button. You will do the same for A2 and J2. With the title selected, choose the title theme. Make sure to decrease the subtitle to 16-point font. Select the Fill button and change the color to Orange Accent 1, lighter 60%. Put a thick box border around A1 through J2 using the Border drop-down menu. Select cells A3 through J3 and use the Cell Style button to apply the Heading 3 style. Make sure to center the headings as well. Click on Row 13 and apply the Total style. Bold A14 through A16. Change the date format by selecting B4 through B12 and right-clicking Select Format Cells. In the Alignment tab, click on the time and select the appropriate setting, month, date, comma, year. Select cells C4 through C12 and center it. Select cells E4 through I4 and while holding down the Control key, select F13 through I13 and click on the Accounting Number Format button located in the number group. Select the range E5 through I12 and apply the Comma Style button located in the number group as well. Select cells E14 through I16 and then click the Format Cells button. Once you're in the dialog box, select Numbers. Click the currency in the category list and select the third number style. Make sure the symbol represents American dollars and that the decimal place is equal to 2. Select cells J4 through J16 and apply the percent style. Then click the Increase Decimal button twice. Select cells D4 through D12 and click the Conditional Formatting button and select New Rule. Click Format Cells that only contain, and from the second drop-down menu, click on Greater Than. In the value box, type 70. Then click the Format button. Go to the Fill tab and click on Orange Color in column 5, row 5 to select the background color. If necessary, go to the Font tab and make sure the color of the text is white. Click OK. Select columns A, B, and C, and on the boundary between C and D, double-click. Right-click on column H and change the width to 10.22. Right-click on row 3 and change the height to 48. Finally, select row 14, right-click, and change the height to 27.